music. Let's talk about that EP. Let's talk about you right now. I mean, I have to say that right now in reggae music, I'm not sure if anybody's as important as Spice. The last time I saw Chris Chin in Boston was Barris. He doesn't fly out to Boston to see everyone.
I know, definitely. So I have to big up Christian. It's
Gotta
really,
big up
really a
Christian.
special moment for me to see him fly in, come watch a performance. So big up VP Records and the whole Christian. My EP is out. That's
Let's
what I'm
talk about
promoting. 5 songs on it. Go Go is on it. Conjugal Visit. We are creating a whole heap of vibe. That's on the EP as well. Whining at the dances on it. Of course, yes, that's something like it. That's on it as well.
Everything you like is on it. VOG Jacob, we're in the building. Glad I came, Spice. Always lovely to see you.
Thank you so much.
My girl, my dancehall queen.
Boom!
You don't know J. Cool done come slap with the thing already. Big up VP Records and the whole works. You don't know.
Yes, that's how me like it. Yo, look, on me body, on me whine it. Boom! Russell Auditorium, backstage with the VIP, all access granted. If you weren't here, you missed it, yo. Yeah, you missed a Spice tonight. So you can't Spice represent. So who broke your hand?
Right now, I crash. Right now, I have to pick up the whole dumb ball in whole break and my place. I never drop off in a canal and broke me and I'm coming for it and broke me. But big up Spice, our thing shot and with our Russell Auditorium, our thing sell off for a night. And you don't know, next year big and better, big up Goldfinger, Father Bigs, the whole rest. I don't know for a night, we need to get a little wine in the Spice. I don't know, Be a man. Whoa, alright, you don't know a proper beer, but it's a night, Japa Dia, and we are out.
You don't know. You know what? Every time you have to stop, you take off for me.
A long time you up on the stage and hold you know, but they are around corners, you know. You look like you know so you can't even manage me. I tell you.
Interview.
You know, you did come on the stage, but you never feel nothing. That's why I never want video.
You never touch me.
This is I talk, you come to talk. Come on, now, where do the interview? You can't get trouble, sir.
They gotta close the club.
That's what I said. You don't wait on the time that we are from here on the city. So that's it, you like me.